Have you ever wondered what the world's wealthiest people do every morning? What if I told you that adopting a billionaire's morning routine could transform your day, boost your productivity, and set you on the path to financial success? Stick around because we're diving into the secrets of the morning routines of billionaires. Number 1. Wake up early. Most billionaires start their day before the sun rises. Waking up early gives them a head start on the day. It provides quiet, uninterrupted time to plan and focus on their goals. Imagine having those peaceful morning hours to yourself. You can set your intentions for the day, reflect, or even get some work done before the rest of the world wakes up. This practice can significantly enhance your productivity and give you a sense of control over your day. Number 2. Exercise. Many billionaires prioritize physical activity in the morning. Exercise boosts your mood, increases energy levels, and enhances cognitive function. Whether it's a brisk walk, a gym session, or yoga, this habit not only keeps you fit but also prepares your mind for the challenges ahead. And you don't need to spend hours in the gym. Even a 20 to 30-minute workout can do wonders for your health and mental clarity. The key is consistency. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a key component of their morning routines. This practice helps reduce stress, improve focus, and foster a positive mindset. Just 10 minutes of mindfulness can set a calm and focused tone for the day. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Allow yourself to be present in the moment. This simple act can clear your mind, reduce anxiety, and prepare you for the day ahead. Number 4. Spend time with family. Many successful individuals dedicate part of their morning to connecting with their loved ones. Whether it's having breakfast together, chatting, or simply spending a few moments in each other's company, this practice strengthens bonds and provides emotional support. Starting the day with your family can be incredibly grounding. It reminds you of what you're working for and gives you a sense of purpose. Plus, it's a great way to share love and positivity before diving into the day's tasks. Number 5. Plan your day. Billionaires spend part of their morning planning their day. They set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and create a roadmap for the day. This not only boosts productivity, but also ensures they stay focused on their most important tasks. Take a few minutes each morning to outline your top priorities. What are the most important tasks you need to accomplish today? By planning ahead, you can tackle your day with a clear sense of direction and purpose. Number 6. Network and connect. The wealthy make it a point to reach out to key contacts and nurture their professional relationships in the morning. Whether it's a quick email, a phone call, or a meeting, they prioritize connecting with people who can support their business goals. Building and maintaining relationships is crucial for success. Use the quiet morning hours to touch base with your network. A simple message or a quick call can strengthen your connections and open up new opportunities. Number 7. Focus on high-impact work. The morning is an excellent time to tackle your most challenging and high-impact tasks. Billionaires use this time to work on projects that require deep focus and creativity. By handling these tasks first, they ensure that their most important work gets done before distractions set in. Identify your most critical task for the day and dedicate your first working hour to it. This approach can significantly boost productivity and ensure that your high-priority work gets the attention it deserves. Incorporating these habits into your morning routine can set you on a path to greater productivity, improved focus, and ultimately, financial success. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. So, start today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share. Let's build a community of future billionaires together. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and conquer your mornings.